How does that sound? Okay. Okay, so destiny should not concern you, but how you react to fate and the things that are happening, those are the things that you need to, think about. So let's say there was this hunter. What was the hunter's name?
Keith Anderson.
Keith Anderson, yeah. Keith Anderson basically was a hunter, and it was kind of his destiny to be bit by a snake for just a while. You can say it could have been a destiny, but he didn't worry about it. What happened was that he was in his tent, very very famous hunter. He was lying down, and he had a blanket, and a snake just somehow made it to his tent, and then the snake took up its position. I do not know what that position is called. It was cobra. And he woke up. He was telling this in a bar or some other place. I don't remember what it was. But so they asked him, the people around him, were you ever scared in life? He said, yeah, there was once I was sleeping and a snake just was on my chest, and I was sleeping, and I woke up and I saw the snake ready to basically bite me. And that he ended his story right there. And the people were like, then what happened? So I said, well, I just went back to sleep. I was like, damn it, I'm not gonna basically just sacrifice my sleep for the mere possibility that the snake is going to bite me. My sleep is important. Similarly, there was this guy who was being chased by this lion. And it could have been in his destiny to be eaten by a lion, so he jumped into a well without looking how deep the well was. That's the first mistake. Well, then again, if a lion is chasing you, I don't think you'll have enough time to look at how deep the well is, will you? Anyway, so he jumped into a well, and it was deep. So when he jumped into it, he realized that this well is deep. So he grabbed onto a branch that was, for some reason, at that particular time, very near. And when he grabbed the branch, he looked down and there were snakes in the well. Not only was the well deep, it had snakes in the well. Now, another thing added to destiny was that if he goes down there, he's going to be bitten by the snakes. Okay. So as long as he keeps hanging, he's going to be fine, right? Well, then a mouse started to appear. He's like, oh, this is a nice situation. How about I start eating the branch that this guy is in, that this guy is hanging on? And that guy was like, damn, I'm in a very tough situation here. So if I keep hanging, the mouse is going to eat the branch. I'm going to fall down, be eaten by the snakes. I can't climb up because there is a giant lion that wishes to eat me. Like, damn, I'm screwed, really. So, what happened was that well had a tree, and on that tree there was this big honeycomb. And honey was dripping from that. Right? Honey was dripping from that. And the honey started falling on the person's face. So what he did was he opened his mouth and he started enjoying the honey. He said, damn it, I'm going to die. Why not just enjoy and then die, right? So the lion got desperate during that time, and he was still hanging, the mouse was still eating, the snakes were still there. And he was like enjoying himself. He was like, yeah, I'm going to die. Better make my last moments a little bit meaningful by just enjoying the honey, the raw honey, the taste of raw honey. The lion got desperate, tried to reach for that person. Now the lion obviously did not know that had he waited, I mean, of course, he was hungry. He knew that if he falls down, he's not going to be, the lion will not be able to get that person. So the lion lunged into the well, and he probably did not know what balance is. The lion probably did not attend physics classes. So he fell into the well, broke its neck. And then that man could climb up the well and he was fine. Basically, he waited it out. He was unconcerned. He showed indifference to what destiny had in store for him. And he escaped.